are ready for the storms.
Yeah, we want to get everybody prepared. So what exactly can we expect time-wise and severity-wise?
Well, we have a lot to talk about. So first off, right now this morning, if you do have any errands, doctor's appointments that you have to get to throughout the day, right now you can see we don't have a lot going on here on radar. But what we're watching is towards our west. So you can see there through Iowa and even into southern Minnesota, we have these, well, colorful pockets. Now these, it's actually this one, just south of Minneapolis. That's the one that we're going to be watching. And you may notice that it's actually kind of tracking off towards our northeast. But we still have a lot of distance before it gets here, so that means that we're going to have a lot of steering that we have to watch from the system. But though it is trying to pull towards our north and east, you can see our severe weather outlook. That's actually coming right into northwest Ohio, southeast Michigan. So we are going to be in the middle as far as that severity threat. And you are going to find that our threats for our downpours, thunderstorms, and all the activity later on tonight will heavy rainfall. We're going to have buckets of rain and even rounds of rain. We're also going to have damaging winds. Those winds are going to really be packing a punch towards 60 miles per hour, maybe even a touch more than that. Hail also going to be something that we're watching for. The time frame going to be around 5 to 10 o'clock this evening. Hour by hour forecast. Quiet here for the morning, even quiet into lunchtime, but the drive home, that's when those storms start to approach from the west. They're going to be moving in, and you are going to find here comes that first wave that's going to slide through. Then the second wave is going to be here right into the late last hours of Monday. And you can see with all of this, not only is that the potential for some stronger storms, but that's also going to be where we see a lot of water as well. Now with it kind of having that Boeing shape, gusty winds are going to be our main threat, but also even the tornado threat for today. It is still a risk that we have to keep on the table, so make sure you're keeping an eye to that WTOL 11 weather app. We'll also have all the coverage that we need to do on air and also online. Power outages, of course, if we have those winds, power, that could be an issue. So maybe if you have that one branch you haven't taken care of, take care of it right now. But you are going to find not only do we have an alert day for today, but another one on Wednesday because of heat, not severe weather, but for heat. So we have a pretty active week as temperatures are going to be headed into the 90s. We do have 80s to come next week and hopefully a chance to catch our breath as the weather should settle down just a little bit.